Welcome back. Today I'd like to talk to you about the importance of accurately recording your participants' responses and some common pitfalls in doing this incorrectly. An accurate recording of a workshop becomes the legacy of that discussion. And participants refer to this days, months, sometimes even years later. So it behooves us as facilitators to make sure that we have an accurate and complete recording of the discussions that happen during our sessions. Here are 3 things that often go wrong in that role. The first one is not using a parking lot. As facilitators, if we let the conversation diverge away from the topic at hand, it can be very frustrating to participants and really diminish our stature as facilitators as they wonder, why are we letting this conversation just go into the weeds? The second pitfall that I often see are facilitators that edit, screen, or critique the input of the participants. By suggesting different ways to say something or recording our words, not theirs, we send a signal that we're smarter than they are. And most of all, we're forgetting the fundamental rule that it is the participant session, not ours. The third pitfall is missing responses or getting behind. And this can have much the same effect of that second pitfall, although may be driven by very different reasons. In our next blog, I want to share with you some really great techniques for how to ensure that you never have to miss responses or get behind. But in the meantime, I hope this was helpful. Thank you.